What's up, everybody? It's your Speed Gaming, and today I'm back. And now I'm going to be teaching you how to build a grapple hook. So let's get right on into that. So you're going to need to get a glue block, put it anywhere on the map, then get a seat, put it there, and sit on the seat. Then you're going to get your cake, and if you don't have a cake, you're going to need to come back to the you're gonna have to join the game when you're gonna have to join the game when your account was created. Like I joined I joined the game when it was 1-13, and then I got the cake. So now what you need to do is get the grapple hook, put it on the cake, and get the trowel tool, bring it down, then get the cannon, put it here, and then bring it down just like that. And then once you have it like that, hold on, there we go, yeah. And then you're gonna want to put that on rotation and have that go up on 1. And then you're gonna need a lever. You're gonna want to put it on the back of here because this is the best spot. And then you're gonna get your wrench tool, select it all, put anchor off, collisions off, and aim off. And then you walk around and you have it. And then the best part about this is you look for someone to aim at. Like I want to go to yellow, and then you see it does that. And then just wait, okay? And then you flick it again to bring it back in. And then you need to find someone. You gotta find someone. Actually, let's go to green base. So, bam. No, gosh dang it, no, shoot. Flippin' chicken. No, dang it, no, dang it. Sorry, guys. Yeah, okay. So, let's bring this to white, actually. So, get ready. And just go. See? It's that simple. And then what you can also do is you can find the person. You can find the person just like so. Find the person just like this. Hold up, wait. I wonder if I can do that. Yes, I can. Well, you just get them out. Just try to get them out, really. Why is he calling me a scammer? I'm not a scammer. But then you can just run someone over and then they get stuck in that seat. And then you can just, bam. And there you go. You can do it. Just like so. And make sure to like and subscribe. It's your Speed Gaming. And I'm out. Peace out, guys. I love you.